How to switch camera focus in sequencer. First, we need to create the camera and select it and snap object to view. And here we drag the camera into the sequencer. We select the camera and I change the camera's lens. I select 50 millimeters. And now I open it, the focus plane, and select this. And I select the objects. You can see I have the keyframe, and here, and maybe adjust to here. I create to another keyframe. And here I change to another object. I change the distance. I create a new keyframe. And we play it. Yeah, you can see it. The camera focus is changed. Also, I want to make the camera slow motion. I create another keyframe and select it and change to the linear. And I play it. The camera is slow motion. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, you can change the, here you make the switch fast. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.